This is something you don't see every day, meaningful interaction between seniors and youth. Two different generations coming together outdoors, united by a shared purpose, to care for nature on our beautiful island of Aruba. We are here at Kibrahacha, a social club dedicated to seniors aged 60 and above. The club offers a wide range of activities and services designed to support an active, fulfilling, and healthy lifestyle. What makes many of these activities especially impactful is the involvement of the younger generation. Students from Yentl Montessori regularly participate alongside the seniors, creating a space where generations connect naturally. Sergey, a 13-year-old student, gives us a glimpse into just some of the activities that the groups do together.
When we come to Kibrahacha, we do the activities. We do activities with the elders, like gardening, painting, singing, dancing, and other friendly activities. And it would be fun to, well, for my school, it's very fun to learn with the elderly. Even as they're old, they learn a lot.
Through simple conversations, participants begin to learn about one another, sharing stories, experiences, and perspectives shaped by very different moments in time. In this setting, learning happens effortlessly, and fun becomes part of the exchange.
Most of the elders really like singing and dancing. I asked one of them, he said that it just reminds him of the past when there was karaoke's and all those other singing things.
The youngsters, they have a lot of energy, you know, so I feel, is that good for them to be with the elders?
Yes, sure. They let them laugh, and that's very good.
The time that they get to spend together is undeniably special. For the seniors, these moments are deeply appreciated. They value the attention, the energy, and the genuine connection they share with the students, and none of it is taken for granted.
Because a lot of them, like, miss us, as when days that we can't come, for example, if it rains, we can't come. Well, they very much miss us when we do not come here, and they would ask for us to come the next week or so.
And according to Sergey, the feeling is mutual. The children truly enjoy being around the seniors, and the experience leaves a lasting impression. Both generations walk away having learned something meaningful from one another.
It's very important to keep track of what they are doing and what they can do, even though they're a high age. So it would be great for people to not forget their elders, because they have a lot of things to say, stories to tell, and other great experiences that they can give that we couldn't get because we're born in this age.
It's nice to be with them, you learn from them too.
Really? Because they said they learn a lot from you.
No, and we learn from them too.
That's great. What are some things you learn from the youngsters?
They have more patience than us.
This intergenerational bond carries an important message for our community in Aruba and beyond about the value, wisdom, and continued contribution of our senior citizens.
To give more time to their elders to, you know, when they are home, or to bring them out. Because many of them, when they are here, they say they are most at home, alone.
I would say to never forget your elders, because they're your past. And even if they are old, take care of them, because in the past they took care of you.
Y más a poco posible, ¿ok? Más a poco posible.